Probiotics are any living microorganism that can have a health benefit in humans. They're being used for treatment of infectious diseases as well as for metabolic disorders like phenylketonuria. But they're fundamentally different than traditional drugs because they can evolve during treatment. So we looked at three key features that might impact this evolution as probiotics are taken as treatments. We looked at all of the microbes in the gut, collectively the microbiome, and how they impacted the probiotic, and observed that the probiotic evolved to compete against a greater number of microbes and stay in the gut longer. We looked at the impact of antibiotics on the probiotic and observed that it became resistant to the antibiotic that was given right before the probiotic very, very quickly. We tested the impact of different diets on the ability of the probiotic to evolve, and we found that it changed the way it was able to use a larger number of sugars to live longer in the gut than it was originally intended to. So with engineered probiotics, we have to now be particularly careful about understanding how they might adapt to stay around in the body longer than intended, because then we don't have control over what they're doing. And this makes them very different from traditional drugs who stay around in the body for defined periods of time before they're cleared.